This outstanding built-in single oven from Bosch is perfect if you're looking for a self-cleaning model with amazing technology. With a large 71-litre capacity, there's plenty of flexibility if you're cooking for a large household or like to host dinner parties. It's also a multifunctional oven with great functions, including a defrost and slow cook setting. And it can either be built into your kitchen at eye level or under a worktop, so there's no need to measure as it will fit in a standard oven housing unit. Bosch's 3D Hotair system creates an even temperature from the top to the bottom of the oven. A fan at the back of the cavity circulates hot air, which is released through several vents to spread heat quickly throughout the oven. This means food is cooked evenly on every shelf. And because the hot air is constantly moving, flavours won't transfer, so you can make starters, mains, and desserts at the same time. The Pyrolytic setting is an amazing self-cleaning function that does the hard work for you. Before the program begins, the oven door will lock automatically for your safety. The temperature is then raised to around 500 degrees for up to 2 hours and burns away any food residue. Once the process is complete, all it takes is a simple wipe with a cloth to take care of any remaining ash. So you'll save money on expensive cleaning products and spend less time cleaning the oven. If you're looking for a self-cleaning single oven with amazing technology, this outstanding built-in model from Bosch is the perfect choice.